Hey, this is Maurice Sims with WCS Property Solutions. It's another video for our private money series. The house that I'm standing in front of right now is a house we used to buy and rehab with private money. We use 100% private money, which is cool. We try to do that as much as possible, just to help people become a real estate investor, right? We're teaching them how they can use money they have sitting dormant, not doing anything. We teach them how to put it to use to start actually making them more money and more interest than they can in any other strategy, right? So it's a really thing we take a lot of pride in helping people invest in real estate passively. And so yeah, that's what this one was. This deal looks like it was I think we gave the investor this one 9% on this one. A lot of investors like myself will do a set amount for all of their private money lenders. We don't. Every deal is different, and so we try to maximize the private money lenders' profits as much as possible. So depending on what the deal is, with me covering all my holding costs, all of my expenses, and then I try to give the private money lender as much as I can. The way that we look at it is that we rather be paying someone, a regular person, than a bank, right? A bank's going to make the interest and make a ton of money. So how come regular people can't make a ton of money, right? So we try to get max we can out of all of our private money lenders. So it's an easy process. Once we kind of have identified our property and what we need, we reach out to our private money lenders. We have a list of them that are kind of interested in waiting to kind of just get aboard and put their money to work. So we send out a notification to them saying, usually it's an email saying, hey, we have a property, this is what it looks like, this is what we're looking to raise, this is the interest rate, and this is how long we want to do it. Most of the time we do 36 months with our lenders because of our strategy, because we help a lot of families become homeowners. We do that in a 2-year period. So a lot of times we like 36 months to kind of give us some buffer room to kind of do it, which is nice though, because a lot of our passive investors like it because their money's going to work a lot longer. So that means their return on investment, their ROI is higher, right? So for an example of that is like if you invested your money for 12 months with someone, and then if you triple that, so let's just say it's an ROI of 12% ROI, right? And then if you triple that, if you do 3 more months, if you do 3 more years, so that's 36 months, you triple that 12%, right? So that 12% jumps up to 24, 36, right? So it jumps up to 36%, right? And so they didn't have to touch their money. They didn't have to go to 3 different flips and do the process 3 different times. They did it one time with us, and they got a huge ROI, 36% ROI on their money, and it was just working over that time. They didn't have to worry about collecting it, putting it back in a project, doing paperwork over again, nothing like that. So a lot of them like it. So we identify a property, we send it out to our list. Our private money lenders raise their hand and say, yeah, I want to get on this deal. We fill out the proper paperwork, which is a note, a promissory note, and then we send it to them to verify all the things we agreed on, right? All of the terms we agreed on this deal, so they know, they understand what we're offering and what they're receiving, and we understand. We're just on the same page. Once they approve that, then we actually send that paperwork to the title company, and we sign that at the time of closing, right? So then once it's filed with the county and it's official, they'll get a mailed copy of the documents that I signed or that WCS signed for them, for their hard copies, for their records, right? And then usually 30, 45 days from the day that we close, your payments you start receiving your payments automatically. So it's a pretty easy process. The other thing we do too is we put them on our homeowner's insurance as an additional insured party. That way, that allows them to have some insurance on their investment, right? Let's just say worst case scenario, the house burns down, right? Well, they have a stake in that insurance policy, right, to be covered what they're due from us, right? So we kind of help do that. So those 3 pieces of paper help protect, secure, and insure their investment. You can't get nothing like that other than in real estate. Like you cannot protect, secure, and insure your investment in any other strategy but real estate. So it's a really strong strategy. So once we talk with people and show them that this strategy is available, A lot of people love it, man. A lot of people, it's something tangible, something they can drive by and look at. There's something they can go by that house, take a look at that house and say, hey, I have an investment in that property, right? So it's kind of cool, man. It's really cool. And that's it. It's that simple. It's that simple on that transaction. So if you're interested, give me a call, DM me. You can call me, you can email me. If you're interested in maybe knowing more about it, or maybe you just want to get on our mailing list. Maybe you just want to jump on our mailing list so you can kind of see some of our deals that come by, and then you can offer on. We do pretty good. We get, once a month, there's at least one deal that we send out to our private money lenders that's available that we're thinking about moving on. Sometimes they don't happen because we do our due diligence and we don't like the numbers, or there's something we didn't see. But yeah, we always have something for you to kind of look at. And we're always open to you contacting us and talking through that deal, talking about how we came with the numbers, or just talking about the house in general, what we're going to use it for, what we're going to do, what do we like about it, what we didn't like about it, right? We're open for all those conversations. The more you get comfortable with what we're doing and how we do it, the more it's going to make you feel better with investing with us, right? And doing business with us. So I appreciate your time. Look out for the other videos, and I will see you guys later. Take it easy.